Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gulf Job Station, and I'm Khushbu. Again I'm here in front of you with some more requirements for Qatar location, and these all requirements are recent. So if you are looking jobs in Qatar, if you are looking job in Qatar, if you are interested, if your CV and experience is relevant, you can share your CV directly to HR. I'm going to share all the details here, including company name, company website, HR mail ID, and everything. Yesterday only the HR herself posted this requirement, so please watch the video completely and carefully. And as I always tell you that we don't have any direct contact with HR or company, so please do not forget to verify the company detail, as we don't take any kind of guarantee. So now let's talk about the requirements first, and as I already told you, they have so many requirements. So the first requirement they have for resident engineer, degree in civil engineering, experience more than 20 years. They didn't mention anywhere that they are looking candidate for they are looking local candidates or experts. They didn't mention anything anywhere, so you can directly email your CV to them. So the first requirement, as I already told you, resident engineer senior. Second requirement is for resident engineer, drainage and utilities, degree, bachelor degree in civil engineering, and experience more than 14 years. The third requirement they have for planning engineer, qualification, bachelor degree in civil engineering, experience more than 14 years. The next requirement they have for publicity officer, bachelor degree. They didn't mention here which stream or any particular stream. They didn't mention anything here, just simply they mentioned bachelor degree. So you can be electrical engineer or civil engineer or mechanical or anything, but should be bachelor degree. Okay. Born in Qatar, more than 14 years experience, and Arabic speaker preferred. So this is for publicity officers. Requirement is for local candidate. The next requirement they have for quantity surveyor, experience more than 10 years and bachelor degree in civil engineering. The next requirement they have for material engineer. Sorry, I'm doing so many mistakes. So next requirement they have for material engineer, qualification is bachelor degree in civil engineering and experience should be more than 14 years. The next requirement they have for safety engineer, bachelor degree in civil engineering. So basically they are looking civil engineers candidate, bachelor degree in civil engineer, more than 14 years of experience, and they are asking here for Qatari driving license. So if you have Qatar driving license, then only you can apply. The next requirement they have for work inspector road, qualification technical diploma, experience more than 10 years. The next requirement they have for work inspector drainage, qualification technical diploma, experience more than 10 years. The next requirement they have for work inspector utility, qualification again technical diploma, experience more than 10 years. The next requirement they have for work inspector material, qualification technical diploma and experience more than 10 years. The next requirement they have for land surveyor, bachelor degree and experience more than 10 years. The next requirement they have for senior quantity surveyor, bachelor degree and experience should be more than 14 years. And the next requirement they have for lean engineer, bachelor degree in engineering and experience should be more than 14 years. And the last requirement they have for stakeholder interface and PR manager, bachelor degree in engineering and experience should be more than 10 years Arabic speaker preferred. So they, as I already told you, there are so many requirements. So let's repeat it. Resident engineer, resident engineer, drainage and utility, then planning engineer, then publicity officer, then quantity surveyor, then material engineer, then safety engineer, work inspector road, work inspector drainage, work inspector utility, work inspector material, land surveyor, senior quantity surveyor, lean engineer, and stakeholder interface and PR manager. So they have 15 requirements. So if you are in Qatar, you can apply directly, and these requirements are maximum for civil engineer. And for some requirement, they are asking for Qatar driving license. So I'll mention everything in my description box. You can go and check. Now let's talk about the company name, company website. Now let's talk about the company name, company website, and the mail ID where you need to share your CV. So the company name is, 1 minute, Intel Consult Qatar branch. And if you check their website, which is www.italconsult.com, and if we talk about their services, they are into road and highways, they are into metros and railway, they have airport and ports, they are into environment, hydraulic and sanitary engineering, building and community facilities, they are into training. And if you check their projects, they have so many ongoing projects, you can see, which is like doubling and upgrading of the National Road 640 Palermo Railway Bypass, Palermo Tramway, Medinate Zayed to Gyathi Road, construction of Nation Road 106, Jonica. These all names are new for me, so maybe I can read wrong. Algeria East-West Highway, Lot East. So many projects you can check in on their website. You'll get all the details. So now let's talk about the website where you
Email
need to
ID.
share your CV. So the website is Qatar, QATAR, Qatar dot recruitment, RECRUITMENT, recruitment @italconsult.qa. You can see on my screen too. So this was the requirements for Qatar location. If you are interested, if you are looking job in Qatar, if you are in Qatar and you want to switch the job, so you can apply directly. You can share your CV directly to HR. If you are in Qatar, you can visit the company directly. And if you are not looking jobs, if these requirements are not useful for you, you can share the requirements with others so that others also can get the job. And if you like our videos, if you like our channel, please do like our videos. And on the comment section, you can tell us for which location, for which field you are looking jobs, so that we can try to help you. And in case if you missed my previous video where I mentioned walk-in interview, which is on Friday, so after 2 days, so please go back and check it. It may be useful for you. They have so many requirements and they have walk-in. You can directly go and attend the interviews there, and you can also share about it with your friends and on your WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn group, so that others can also get job. And I guess this is the max help anyone can do. Job is a big thing. So if you like our videos, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please take care of yourself and family. Have a nice time. Bye.